A beautiful boxwood in the yard can be a wonderful addition to your landscaping. Boxwood is a popular choice for hedges, shrubs, and topiaries due to its dense foliage and evergreen nature. Here are some tips for maintaining a beautiful boxwood in your yard. Planting. Choose a suitable location with well drained soil and partial to full sunlight. Ensure that the area has good air circulation to prevent diseases. Watering. Boxwood prefer moist, well drained soil. Water deeply and consistently, especially during dry spells, to keep the soil evenly moist but not waterlogged. Mulching. Apply a layer of mulch around the base of the wood box to retain moisture, regulate soil temperature, and prevent weeds. Pruning. Regular pruning helps maintain the shape and size of the boxwood. Prune in late winter and early spring before new growth begins. Avoid cutting into the woody parts of the plant as it may not regenerate foliage. Fertilizing. Apply a balanced slow release fertilizer in the spring to promote healthy growth. Follow the manufacturer's instructions for the specific fertilizer you use. Pest and disease control. Keep an eye out for common pests like boxwood, leaf miners, and boxwood blight. If you notice any issues, take appropriate measures to control them, such as using insecticidal soap or contacting a professional. Winter protection. In colder climates, consider protecting your boxwood from heavy snow loads by gently brushing off snow or using burlap wraps. Topiary and shaping. If you are creating a topiary or shaping your boxwood into specific forms, regularly trim and shape it to maintain the desired appearances. This may require more frequent pruning. Spacing. Ensure you have spaced your boxwood appropriately to allow for proper growth. The spacing depends on the specific variety you are planting. Monitoring. Regularly inspect your boxwood for any signs of stress, discoloration, or disease, and take prompt action to address any issues. Remember that boxwoods are relatively slow growing, so it may take some time for them to reach their full beauty. However, with proper care and attention, your boxwood can become a stunning and timeless addition to your yard, providing year round greenery and structure to your landscaping.